Hello everyone. So actually this video is gonna be special because I'm just going to analyze the charts and prepare all the buy and sell orders for the weekly video, and I decided that I want to record this session to show you exactly the way I'm analyzing the charts and what I'm doing. But of course I'm not going to talk, I'm not going to explain anything. I will just do the analysis right in front of you and you can just watch the way that I'm doing it. So without further ado, let me now complete analyzing the Euro USD sell or buy order. So the pair has reversed from 38.2. We are seeing the breakout happened right here. Target should be here. Target will be about 90 pips. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna reverse from Fibonacci 50 because the pair has reversed from 61.8, which means it has to reverse again from 50. Did this more analysis? Okay. Over, then let's draw this trend line. Yes, perfectly well, perfect, fine, and like that. Okay, so the pair. Okay, Fibonacci 50. All right. $25 pips. Exactly. Perfect. Okay. So I think it can fall more than that. The pair has a chance to fall for this one here. That's actually a perfect match because it can actually reach the trend line, then it's gonna hit the Fibonacci 50, I think. Sorry, not like that. From here. Yes, Fibonacci 50. Yes, at 50 it's gonna be the maximum. It's got 30 minutes. Alright, so already have your support number 1. Okay, good, seems good. Yeah, I can trust it. Okay, 1.123. Oh, this is mistake. This is a mistake. Wait. 25 pips, right? 25 pips. Exactly from here. Yeah, 25 pips. Okay. So buy from 1 to 8.26. And that's better. Okay, so the pair can fall for 26 pips and then the target will be 90 pips at the peak of the resistance, because we're having a resistance trend line. And the pair can actually rise from that level. Okay. The problem here is that the pair still have a space. We cannot send the signal like that. Here also it's matching up with it. Support trend line has become resistance trend line. The pair has actually, if we look carefully, we're having here that resistance trend line. Yeah, definitely, right. So the pair is moving and is reaching this level. If I clone this one as well. Okay, now it makes sense. Now it makes a lot more sense to me. Yes, perfect. Like that also. So if I draw here support trend line like that, oh yeah, fantastic. That's even better. That's even better now. So now we're having the broken support trend line is going to become a new resistance trend line, which means this one here, it actually can reach the take profit level immediately. But yeah, now it makes more sense for me. Yes, now it makes a lot more sense. Okay, nice. So the pair has a chance to reverse for 22 pips, then rise all the way for about 90 pips and reach the take profit level on the resistance trend line. Yeah, that's better now. I like it. Yeah, now it makes more sense. Now if we go to the daily chart also, it makes more sense. This price action indicate a bullish reversal. Perfect. Yes, I'm happy now with the Euro USD analysis. Okay, go to the Pound USD. Pound USD, I don't think it's good for the sell. Weekly chart. Weekly chart. It seems to be like it's gonna continue the fall, but not now. Right now. So we are having the structure here. This was the structure right here. The pair has made the breakout from the structure exactly from here, and this was the new support. So this was the second support, third support, and then a new resistance. Now most likely it's reversing. It's definitely reversing. It's going to make a second attempt of the resistance as well. Okay, so therefore we're having here resistance trend line. Daily chart for our time frame. So this can be our target now, the resistance right here, or actually sorry, right here. Yes, that's perfect. So most likely Pound USD is for the bullish right now. I think we can buy it right now immediately. 1 hour time frame. Yes, definitely. Yes, we're having here head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders pattern. Indeed. Yes, we're having here head and left shoulder, right shoulder, which means the pair has the potential to continue the rise from that level. So for the Pound USD, it should be buy now. I think it's not reversing anywhere. It's already on the support, which means the Pound USD should be good for the buy right away, and the safe zone will be big enough. 51 pips. Yeah, it can be big enough. Okay, good. I'm happy with that. Alright, I don't think it can break out from that level at all, but the safe zone should be shorter than that. Yes, that's better. Should be ranging only for 32 pips. Meanwhile, the target, the target will be approximately 73 pips. That is definitely correct. But let's just be safe and make the buy order right from here. Exactly like that. And the target will be like this, better. So 78 pips. Meanwhile, safe zone, let me just make it to the maximum, giving a space for the candle to breathe if in case it ever went against my direction. Okay, so that now makes a lot more sense. The pair is gonna reverse after 10 pips, and then most likely the target will be 78 pips, and it's gonna reach the peak of the resistance of the trend line. Nice, perfect. Okay, so therefore buying at 1.3184, take profit. 64 seems good to me. Yeah, makes sense. The buy. My problem is this ranging chart here. It's hard to rely on it because we're having a long tail here, but still I think the pair is definitely gonna continue the rise, at least to hit the peak of the resistance trend line. Definitely, that's a definite. I'm sure about it. I'm very sure about this. Okay, nice. AUD USD. AUD USD. Weekly chart. So on the weekly, it's reaching a support level here. Reaching a support. Check the Fibonacci retracement. I think it's below. Yes, below 61.8. If it's below 61.8, most likely it's gonna continue to fall. All right. So check on the bigger time scale. We are on 61.8 as well here. Now that means since the pair has already reversed for 1-2 times, most likely the third one is definitely going to Fibonacci 50 for 300 pips. No, that's too much. Let's go back to the daily chart. Now let's see the channels like that. And so we can see the channel right here, another channel right here, okay, and another one here. Perfect. All right, so the channel has been breaking out from, so most likely the pair will indeed be good for the sell right here, but however still we are facing a support level. It's way oversold now. It's way oversold. I don't think it's wise to sell the AUD USD. It's way oversold. Should be good for the buy now, but where? Here? No. Let me check. It was the strongest support level. This was a very strong support level. Here. Check more to the past. It was very strong support here, and here as well, and here as well. Seems to me a very strong support level. Zoom out. Wait. Check the channels. Like that. Okay. And like the, oh, perfect. Here it was a resistance trend line, and after the bullish breakout is gonna be a new support trend line after it falls for another 26 pips. Oh, perfect. Which means this will be perfect for the buy. Okay, I like it. Okay, so it will be good for the buy at 23 pips. All right, good. Take profit level will be at the nearest support here. 83 pips. Oh, perfect. 83 pips. Perfect. Okay, good. I like it. Profit 0.71801. 1801. 0.71801. Okay. Safe zone should be until this support level here, the maximum here below the support. Oh, okay, better. Yes, should be here exactly till that support level. Perfect. So the safe zone 40 pips, we can make it a little bit more. Yes, now it's more fair. 47 pips. Okay, nice, like it. Okay, USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD. The weekly seems now to reach overbought at the peak of the resistance. Now 4 weeks in a row we had strong bullish candles, meaning if we hit daily chart we barely see any red ones. So most likely Fibonacci here, yes, it will continue the rise till 61.8, definitely, that's no doubt. Alright, so USD CAD is going to, I think this will fall to make retracement first. If I draw here resistance trend line, oh perfect, now it will reverse, and then yes, perfect, that will be the next one. Okay, so USD CAD will fall for about 78 pips, 87 pips, even more, before it continues the rise. And if we draw here support trend line, it will match, I'm sure it will match. Yes, perfect, it is matching, so it will fall all the way 83 pips, Fibonacci 50, retesting the broken resistance, and then boom, continue the fall, continue the rise. So that's support trend line on the daily chart. Wow, okay, go to the 4-hour time frame, and yes, definitely, that's correct. I think USD CAD is good to the sell immediately. We can sell, that's perfect. Here the support trend line, a resistance trend line, and now the pair immediately. It's not that good. Oh, no way, this is gonna continue to rise. 1 hour time frame is very strong bullish. This will definitely break out from the resistance trend line. Okay, so far I don't see any pattern indicating for a bearish reversal. There is no double top, there is no head and shoulder, there is absolutely nothing I can rely on for the bearish reversal. Oh, here the resistance. Oh, perfect. I think it will continue the rise, but we need to do it at the right moment. Here support trend line was respected. Okay, and if we move it like that, we have another support trend line. Perfect. And here that support right here. Oh yes, fantastic, that's actually better. Let me delete this shit here and delete this one here. Yes, that's making a lot more sense to me. Okay, so it's better to be bought after falls for 42 pips. That's more safe. That's definitely more safe. Even here, that support trend line has been respected, became barely a resistance trend line, and then after the bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame is going to be a new support. And yes, definitely, yeah, that's actually better. I feel better this way about the USD CAD. But however, we are also buying the Euro USD. Oh yeah, it's going to fall also, right? It will fall. What about 75 pips? The question, should I make a signal for sell or for the buy? It's going to fall. It's going to fall. But however, not for that much. I mean, 51 pips only. And then it's going to continue the rise. So better if the signal will be for the buy. Should be the buy. That's actually more convenient level. 55 pips. Oof, this USD CAD always doing this to me. It will reverse definitely on that resistance level right there. Okay, to reverse on the resistance. Too much, 56 pips before we can buy it. USD CAD is shit. One hour time frame is very bullish. How can we confirm it? Use Fibonacci. Exactly as I said. It's going to continue the fall for Fibonacci 50, meaning 80 pips. Is this better level? Yes, it can be a better level because this was here the nearest wick to the bullish breakout candle. And this was a strong key support level right here. We are also having here support. So could this mean that the USD CAD is gonna fall for 80 pips before it's gonna be valid for the buy? The problem here is the 1 hour time frame is very strong bullish. But however, it reached also the peak of the resistance right here. Okay, interesting. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame daily chart. USD CAD is going towards 61.8. Will definitely rise for 87 pips. The question is where we can start buying it, right now or later? That's my question. So now I see that the pair having here to be safe, better make it in the middle so we can buy after it falls for 40 pips. So this way we have a chance. Yes, that's actually better like that. So this will be the safe zone for 64 pips. No need, that's better. The safe zone will be ranging for, okay, let's make it 50 pips. Okay, almost 50 pips. Yes. Yeah. Okay, 51 pips. Yeah, that's better. Finally, that's better. So we can buy the pair from here after it falls for about 39 pips, and it has a potential to go against our direction. 51 pips as maximum, but however the momentum is very strong, and it doesn't seem to me that the pair can fall that much. Exactly, right here we're having the previous resistance trend line, and after the bullish breakout, that support trend line should be respected again, which means buying right here is actually better. Okay, good. All right, I like it. Buy USD CAD at 1.27448, and then take profit level 1.28621, and the safe zone like that. Okay, nice. USDJPY, USDJPY is good for the sell as I did before. Actually, if you guys are watching, I analyzed this pair before recording, so I'm now analyzing, or actually now I am making a final revision about my orders and making sure that every decision I took was correct. USD JPY is actually still good for the sell. I don't see there is any necessary to change the signal, because right here we had the previous support. They have the previous support level, and the market seems like it has already made the bearish breakout from it. We also have right here the resistance trend line, like that, and it's actually it was like that. Perfect. This was a resistance trend line, then it became a support trend line, and immediately we had the bearish breakout of it. And right here we had this wick right here represents the first attempt of the resistance trend line, which means we can again sell the pair right away. I think we can sell the pair right away. It can go against us for 18 pips only, but still I think it's valid to be short immediately. Yeah, the bearish momentum is very strong. Hopefully it will work. USD CHF as well. Let's see the USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. Usually it should be for the fall now. After this movement. Yes. Perfect. Yes, I think that's very easy. Yes, right now. Yeah, okay, that's price action usually indicate a bullish reversal. So we can actually start shorting at the key resistance level right here. Let me just make sure Fibonacci retracement. Yes, near at 61.8. Fantastic. Yeah, I think that's very easy. USD CAD is good for the USD CHF, good for the sell at 0.92523, and the take profit level should be that support right here, 61 pips. Actually we can make it more. I want to be logic. I want to be actually, it should be making more sense than that. So the safe zone should be ranging for 40 pips. That is what the setup is giving me. What can I do? Most likely it's going to continue the fall till it reaches the support level. Yeah, okay, then in the midweek analysis we can put a new targets. So take profit level 0.91876. However, for the safe zone, should make sense as well. Now, since we are relying on that resistance trend line, and if I drag it, yes, this was a support trend line. This was, or this will become a new resistance trend line. Perfect. We also have here a resistance trend line. Oh my god, perfect. Here the resistance trend line became a support trend line, and it has, so therefore the safe zone shouldn't be ranging that much. Shouldn't be ranging for much of pips. Most likely 33 should be fine. No need for more than that. It's actually a safe entry and I'm happy with it. Alright, good. The gold. Now long analysis. Cancel everything. The signal has worked perfectly fine. The sell has actually been triggered, and the take profit level was triggered as well. Let's see what we can do next with the gold. A very strong bearish momentum as well. It's a very strong bearish movement. We also have the resistance trend line. If I draw it like that, perfect. Okay, so the pair has reached the maximum of that resistance trend line, and if I, okay, another one, fantastic. All right, 4-hour time frame, the pair has actually reached the lowest level of the resistance, the support I mean. Okay, so the gold reverse from here. Now most likely it will again reach this level. The resistance trend line. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, yes, definitely that's correct. After that the gold will continue the fall. That resistance trend line will never be ignored after this strong bearish movement. So to make it more obvious, yes, this is more safe. That is more safe. Just make sure, please make sure it's also gonna be right here, the new resistance, because we had here previous support level. Then the pair will rise for about 120 pips before we can sell it. Okay, so weekly, daily, weekly chart. Oh, great. The weekly is good for the short. The weekly is good for the short. Actually, it has the potential to continue the fall to 1758. Nice. Definitely. Yeah, I don't see it going up at all at the moment. Now, this long tail, long wick right here indicates a pressure from the sellers, which means the gold is definitely going to be good for the short, and I think this can be the safe zone, just like that. So the safe zone actually can be higher. Fantastic. Yes, because it can actually reach to this next resistance trend line. Perfect. Safe zone will be ranging for about 111 pips, and the take profit level will be the nearest or the lowest support level exactly right here, 200 pips. Yes, that's actually very good. I like it. I like this idea. Okay, so sell. So we can sell the pair at 1802.45. Actually, that's better because the sell is placed at exactly at 1800, which means it's gonna retest the level. If it break out from that level, it means it's going to continue the bullish. If not, that means we're in good position for the sell, and the take profit level will be right here. Take profit level right here, 1781.91. As long as we are below or at 1800, it means we are good for the short. But still, I need more confirmations. We cannot just give it like that. But still, we are having here a very strong key resistance level. The pair has already respected that level. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We are having right here the strong key resistance. The breakout from the structure happened right here, and then again the pair has fallen all the way below the resistance level. Already we have 2 attempts. We already have 2 attempts, which means the next attempt should be here, right here. Right here, exactly. If we draw here also a resistance trend line like that, still actually makes a lot more sense to me. So the pair can rise like this, reach the resistance trend line, and then continue the fall all the way to the take profit level. And actually the take profit level should be right here at 1758. However, should be a more realistic signal. 200 pips is more than enough for the gold, I think. I am happy with this signal. I don't see the gold actually rising at this moment. And even if we draw here a support trend line like that, you can see the pair now reversing from it, but however it's not being trapped. So we're having right here, yes, so we're having right here the support trend line, and then we having the breakout from the support trend line, and then the retest, which means that was a resistance trend line. Therefore, actually it has potential to go lower than that. The gold will definitely go lower than that. 4 hour time frame. reverse from 61.8. That's also our target. Yes, it's making a pressure. There are 3 attempts already on 61.8. There is a lot of pressure on the level. Yes, most likely that's correct. I like it. I like this analysis. I think it's correct. Okay. Make a revision. Euro USD for the buy. Make sure everything is correct. Euro USD is for the buy. Like that. Yes, at 38.2. That's fine. It's okay. All right. Pound USD. Pound USD. Fantastic. Pound USD is very good for the buy. There is no doubt in it. Okay. Resistance trend line. Perfect. AUD USD. Still fantastic for the buy. Exactly from that support resistance trend line, and then become a new support trend line. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD. The USD CAD. 42 pips. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this one because the bullish momentum is very strong. Okay, USD GBY. No doubt about the USD GBY. I think it will be good signal as well. USD CHF, a very clear signal for the sell exactly from that key resistance level. It's gonna rise for 21 pips. And the gold. I honestly think it will fall immediately. It actually can never reach our sell level. Which one is the best entry here? Or actually, it's more safe to sell at 1802, but still, I don't think it will reach this level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, 1 hour time, 30-minute time frame. Okay. 30-minute time frame. Okay, 30-minute time frame. It's more obvious now that the gold will reverse definitely right here after it rises for another 42 pips. Okay, you know what, let's change the entry now. Safe zone will be ranging till the highest level above the resistance trend line, which means safe zone. Yes, perfect. That's perfect. All right. Actually, the safe zone should be higher than that. Should be, yes, exactly right here, because this is the peak of the resistance right here. So therefore, the safe zone should be ranging higher than that. All right. Oh yeah, now it makes more sense to me. So the safe zone will be, yes, that's perfect, and the target will be right here at the lowest level of the support, which means the target will be actually right here. Perfect. That makes more sense. 226 pips. Okay. Let me delete all these lines. They're confusing me. Yes, definitely. That makes a lot more sense now. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. How come I didn't see this before? Yeah. Now it makes a lot more sense. And since we are below 1800, we can keep the order 795.34, and the take profit level will be 1772.38. Okay. Okay, nice. So the take profit level 226, and the safe zone 1500 pips till the peak of the resistance right here. And I don't think it has any potential to go below than that, or higher than that, I mean. Oh my god, perfect. The resistance trend line right here was respected several times. Yes, now this feels a lot much better. Yes, this signal seems more valid to me. This signal seems definitely valid. That's how the pair is gonna move, definitely. Alright, I think we are ready. Let's now make the normal version of the weekly analysis. If you guys have been watching this whole video, thank you so much for your patience. And actually, this is exactly what I do when I analyze the charts every Saturday. It takes me about 1 hour just to analyze and make sure that we are sending you the best Forex signals possible. And right now it's gonna take me another hour to record and prepare the video. So I'll see you there.